Ciao everyone. First, let me start by saying that we're going to be opening this very large bottle of Amarone wine at a wine dinner on Thursday, January 18. Yes, this is a 12-liter bottle of wine, 2009 Amarone. Let me come back to that in just a moment. As you know, with our wine dinners, often the best thing is meeting the person that's leading the dinner. And that's the case here. We have Mariano Buglioni, who's the owner, winemaker of Buglioni Estates, just outside of the beautiful city of Verona, Italy. Beautiful area of Italy. He's been making wine for 23 years. He just finished his 23rd vintage. He's a very charismatic guy. You're gonna love meeting him. And whether you're going back to visit Verona again or for your first time, by coming to the dinner, you'll get to meet him. So we're gonna be opening up this bottle of wine here. We also have Valpolicella, Ripasso, and others. We have Executive Chef Denice Grande doing a 4-course meal to pair, where all of the dishes are from the beautiful region of Verona. And just so you don't have to do the math, this big bottle of wine here, it would take 16 of these normal 750s, 16 of these to fill this up. The price of the dinner is $94. That includes meeting Mariano, spending the night with him. He's going to be opening up this bottle, other Buglioni wines that he makes, the dinner with Chef Denice. Definitely sign up with us Thursday, January 18. It's going to be one of our best wine dinners ever. Hope to see you.